Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. We're glad you're with us today as we take a look at a great new program today. I was quite impressed with this young man. Yeah, I guess that makes me sound kind of old. Anyway, this guy tells us he's 22, Dan Kahn, and we're looking at Affiliate Magician. You can see here on his JV page here his introduction. He does a great job introducing. This is his first program. I was impressed with the way he put this together. And what he does is he was going to show you how to become an affiliate marketer. He calls it affiliate magician as you learn these different tricks, if you will, little things that you can learn so that you can grow your affiliate business. So he takes you real basic forward. Let's take a look here at the sales page. And what he's saying here is there's a way to get a proven step-by-step guide to generate income at will. And I got to tell you, looking at his product, I got some early access to take a look at it. We'll dive into that in a minute. And what he does is shows you how to step-by-step break down the process that he did, because he says he's only been doing affiliate marketing for a few months. But in that time, he, if you will, cracked the code. He had some good mentors that took him through and showed him how to do it. And now he wants to share that with you potentially. All right. So what I've done is put together a package of bonuses that will quite effectively complement what Dan has done here. And we'll touch on those in a moment. Real quick, I want to show you some more about this program. There's the sales page there. We're going to take a look at my page. This is my bonus page. If you follow the link that's below this video, it'll take you to my bonus page with my review. And you can get a taste of what's going on with Affiliate Magician and take a look at the bonuses that I'm offering. Because I've looked at what Dan has done. I've watched his training videos to understand that what might be lacking and what needs to be added to make this a complete product. And I have added those in here to make sure that you get the best value possible. So take a look at these bonuses. Seriously consider Affiliate Magician. All right, so he says, so you're going to learn the tricks to impress your audience and make some serious dollars. Now, it's important to understand that this offer, these bonuses, ends on the 17th. I'm sorry, the 17th it starts. May 20th is when these end. So that's about 5 days from when I'm recording this. It releases on Sunday, May 17th at 10 a.m. And at that point, all these bonuses will kick in. These click buttons here will be active and will take you to the sales page so you can make that purchase. So there's that clock down timer. You can click right on that button there or any of these green buttons on this page to take you to the sales page. You can make your purchase. The video that I'm doing right now that you're watching, that video will be here. And so here's some basic ideas. The question, what is Affiliate Magician? Well, it is an introduction and some intermediate and advanced training in affiliate marketing. It'll show you what tools you need. It'll give you a beginner method. What I love about what Dan does here is he gives you a beginner method, an intermediate method, and an advanced method. So you can go through, you can do the beginner method and begin making money right away. And then as you advance, you can then learn the intermediate method and then add on to that the advanced method when you're available. I'll tell you, if I got to give one complaint to this, Dan, you over-delivered here. This content is so much more. This could have potentially been 3 courses, and I think you still would have done well. So that's why I encourage you. That's why I have decided to review this as one of the products that I believe in, and I think you should take a serious look at, folks. So he gives you an intermediate method, take up a notch, an advanced method, as he says, to become a magician. Then he gives you an introduction to email marketing, talks about how to drive traffic to your offers. All this is done by Dan Kahn, and he has grown his business quickly. So I've included the sales video here. You can take a look at that, that Dan has put together to help you understand what the product is. Now here's what I talked about, my bonuses. The first bonus is how to build a WordPress site. Now what you got here is something from Dan that will help you develop your funnels, and you'll learn what a funnel is if you know what that is. But he doesn't touch on how to build a WordPress site. He mentions it in past, saying that you should have one. You could have one. But this is a practical step-by-step tutorial on how to build a WordPress site. Second bonus. Now, these are included free when you purchase through my link. You can't get these elsewhere, only through my link. Next one is the squeeze page breakthrough. Now, he talks about what a squeeze page is and how to build a basic one. This will take you through into a more detailed study of what a squeeze page is and how to make one. The third one is the version of Eagle Emails, the front end it's called. You get 100% free. It will teach you from an experienced writer, a guy named Dawood Islam, one of my mentors, how to create effective emails that convert. Convert meaning that people will click, people will come and make the purchase of your item. So I encourage you to grab this for that bonus alone. It's a great value right there from Dawood's teaching. And the fourth bonus is kind of fun. Maybe we're getting on the end of this use, but yeah, it's 101 things to do during your self-isolation. And this report will give you some ideas. Some of them are fun, some a little more serious. That'll take you through the end of this quarantine. I know some of you are already out. Some of you are still looking forward to it. Got a few months to go. But this is some ideas on some things you can do during this time. All right, so there's that timer again. You can click on any of these buttons to grab it. Now, those bonuses will be instantly delivered to you through Warrior Plus. So you make your purchase on Warrior Plus. This click will take you to the sales page for Dan. And then when you click on Buy My Item from Dan, it'll take you to Warrior Plus. It's secure, 100% guaranteed payment processing. And then at the bottom, once you make your purchase, it'll say access your purchase. And that's where you'll get Dan's content. You click on this button below it, and you'll get the bonuses automatically that I have included above. All right. So I am, of course, the chief ignoramus at Ignorant Industries. And so I encourage you to check out our website and take a look at that. Let's take a look right now at Dan's sales, the rest of Dan's sales page. So he says, don't live in the past, use this modern method. I don't think that's a photograph of Dan. I've seen photographs of Dan. It doesn't look like that. And that's also not Dan walking away. So the fact is, the magician makes it look easy, right? So this magician hack makes it easy for anyone to start today. You can leverage another company's marketing for your own personal gain, and then you take home those commissions. And that's Dan. There's Dan. That's him. Dan Kahn has experimented with a variety of stuff, and he's going to take his effort and allow you to learn from it. All right. So you can look here, some of his explanation of the monies that he's made and how well he's done, his students are doing, and just 3 simple steps. You learn the secret ingredient, you set the stage, and then you cast the spell. Right, you just show them how they can make money from this offer as well, and that'll help you grow your business. All right, so this is proven, he says, to make money from home, and you can do that now. By the way, there is a guarantee. So if it doesn't work out, you're not thinking it's what you wanted, he has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So you can read the details about that there. There's some folks who have used his method, and they've got some reviews there. And all this stuff you can take a closer look at on your own, some details about it, and all that is available on the sales page. But let's take a look inside. This is the exciting part here. It's Affiliate Magician. This is actually the members area, what they call the front end. And here we start off. He gives you a simple welcome, invites you to join his Facebook group. So you got that contact with Dan right away. And then he shows you how to set things up, what you're going to need to set up, and takes you through that step by step. Now here it is, the beginner method. Look at that. It's just one video. It is basic, straightforward, and he lists it there as compulsory. You need to do this. And then he goes into the intermediate method, and that's 2 videos there, a little more detailed. And then finally, become a magician, the advanced method. and he takes you through step by step how to do this so that you can grow your affiliate marketing. There's some information on email marketing, also beginner, intermediate, and advanced method, how to drive traffic, and finally he wraps it up. All right, he also offers some upgrades. He offers a DFY campaign, and let me take you back to that to take a look at what these upgrades are. Goes live on May 10th at 10 a.m. And here it is. For $12.95, you get the front end. And that is available on May 17th, Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So there's the $12.95. For the first upgrade, there's the what he calls his DFY, my done-for-you magic campaigns. So he sets up ahead of time these funnels and the email swipes so that you could hop right in. So you could take just the structure of what he showed you and fill in the DFY stuff done for you that he's already done for you, and that's $67. For $47, you get the ability to sell Affiliate Magician as your own product. So for example, if you make a purchase through my link, I get a cut of that $12.95, okay? Doesn't change your price. If you were to buy it somehow, to buy it right from Dan, you would pay $12.95 as well. That's the affiliate commission. That's the key behind affiliate marketing. But if you buy this first upgrade, you get 100%, not 50%, which is more common in affiliate marketing. And then finally, for $147, you can get one-on-one coaching with Dan that he'll take you through over Skype to train you how to do it step by step. I'll tell you, that's a great value there, $147 for coaching for someone like that. But I think the number one thing you want to look at, if you were to do any of these upgrades, the DFY Magic Campaigns, that is a great deal. If you really want to get moving at affiliate marketing, to have him already have set up the funnels and the email swipes, so you just add traffic to it and send it off. That's a great deal. So take a look at those. All right. So that is Affiliate Magician. Here it is inside again. And Dan will share his welcome with you. And he's got a lot of excitement. I encourage you to take a look at this. It's a quality product. On my on my ignorant industry scale, I give this a 4.5. Dan does a great job with this, and I encourage you to take a look at it, and you'll be able to learn affiliate marketing from an experienced marketer. So take a look at that, and I thank you, and you have a great day. So long.